A girl singing.
Tell me the weight of all these years that smooth green band has seen.
Elon Musk delivering a message.
Some people don't like change, but you need to embrace change if the alternative is disaster.
A conversation between two people.
一会儿啊，我就按照这个顺序带着大伙儿游览一下咱们这太阳系。
就按照这个水金火木土这么一个顺序。
A Chinese man singing emotionally.
每一个瞬间都值得珍惜，与你共度每一个明天。
A realistic crying man. Even a Pixar-style animated scene.
Hey, how you been holding up today?
Introducing Hunyuan AI, the next-generation video plus audio avatar tool from Tencent that turns your text or voice into lifelike talking characters. Think of it as a video, voice, and face animation engine, all powered by AI. Just a few weeks ago, Google's Veo 3 made headlines as the first to combine realistic video generation with synchronized audio, but it's still closed and paid. Now, Tencent brings us Hunyuan AI, completely free, available online and offline, and open to everyone. Now let's walk through exactly how to use it, and what makes it so powerful. Click Try It Now to get started. The site is in Chinese, but no worries, if you're using Google Chrome, just right-click and hit Translate to English. Easy. Next, log in with your email. Once you're in, you'll find a super clean and user-friendly interface. You've got two options, either type in your script for AI to generate speech, or upload your own voice recording. Just make sure the file is in .wav format and under 14 seconds long. If you go with typed text, you can even choose the tone of the voice, though most voices currently have a Chinese accent. Now upload a photo. It must be under 20 megabytes, and in PNG or JPG format. This image will be the face of your video. Let's run through a few demos so you can see the results for yourself. First up, I've got an audio clip of Elon Musk and a matching image.
You need to embrace change if...
Let's see what Hunyuan does with it.
Some people don't like change, but you need to embrace change if the alternative is disaster.
Looks amazing, right? It's like he's actually speaking. Next, I've got a music audio file and an AI-generated image of a singing man. Here's the output.
Sunny in the air for cheers tonight. Singing home into the night.
Wow. Now that's impressive. Now let's try a TED-style talk. I used the same Elon Musk voice over a different image.
Some people don't like change, but you need to embrace change if the alternative is disaster.
Watch this, feels super real, doesn't it? Let's go emotional now. I've got a crying sound and an AI-generated image of a crying man. Here's what it looks like. That's powerful. Now angry, I'm using a yelling voice with this image of an angry girl. Check it out. Intense, right? Time for some joy. Here's a laughing audio clip paired with this image of a happy girl. Not bad at all. But it's not just about realism, you can also get creative. Let's try a 3D Pixar-style image, see?
Hey, how you been holding up today?
It turns into a talking animation instantly. This tool is incredibly flexible, from singing, speeches, dialogue, to cartoons. You can really make anything you want. You can even run this tool offline by installing it on your laptop, but I think the online version is just easier and faster. I've added the link to Hunyuan Video in the description, along with the tools I used for audio and music. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tool tutorials. Got a question? Drop it in the comments, I reply to everyone. See you in the next video.